Drive east on Westfield Drive, then turn right onto Suzette Avenue. Drive south on Pin Road. Then, in a quarter mile, turn right onto West US Highway 90. In a quarter mile, turn left onto West Military Drive.
No. No, this is fine. Yes, sir.
For my safety.
No, my safety, I guarantee you, there's nothing wrong with the window, I guarantee you.
Okay, perfect. There's nothing wrong. Lower down longer.
No, sir, everything's fine.
I'm just
Sir, I clearly told you to go ahead and go forward, sir.
So I have to stop making the stop. I don't have to listen to you, sir. I have to follow the laws of the land. Does that make sense? I have to follow traffic. I have a debt with the American Sheriff's Office. I can't violate the law.
Yes, you can violate the law because you are just as responsible as we are. You're not above the law. Just because you are the law doesn't mean you're above the law, sir.
Sir, do you have driver's license with you, sir?
I do.
What's the fact that?
It's an unlawful traffic stop. I'm telling you that right now. Impeding the traffic. I'm just letting you know that you could go first, and you wanted to be argumentative about it and then pull me over on retaliation or what? Yeah, that's what it is.
I had to make the stop. I was leaving the stop.
I'm pretty sure.
Driver's license with insurance, sir.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you were stopped already.
Are you ready to order the vehicle?
I don't answer questions.
Hey, can you say for right now for my safety go and stuff out of the vehicle?
No, sir. For officer safety, I have no reason to be coming out of the vehicle. My hands are right here for officer safety.
So for officer safety?
Yes.
State law? I mean, actually.
No, it's Princeton versus Mims. Yes, for officer safety. Officer safety. What? So what? Can you RIS? Can you
You're being nervous, sir. Again, you're very argumentative. I haven't ran you yet. I don't know if you're.
Because you're already giving me problems. Because I have a lot of problems with the police trying to violate my rights. Violating my rights? That's on me? No, it's not.
That's on you. The way you're acting, sir.
Sir.
Again, I make thousands of traffic stops.
Listen.
And I don't have confrontations like this.
You're making a conversation by telling me to step out of the vehicle for what reason?
What?
So
I don't know if you're going to run. I don't know how the way you're acting. I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you have weapons in that vehicle.
You don't need to worry about that. Right now, it's a traffic stop right now, and go about what the traffic stop is. Just a traffic stop only. I don't answer questions.
Yeah, go ahead and put that car in park.
No problem.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Sir, don't escalate the problem more than it is. Don't escalate the situation more than it is.
I don't know if you're going to drive. Turn the vehicle off. Turn the
Hey,
vehicle
it's
off.
off. Thank you. Go ahead and go continue the traffic stop.
Do you have a key?
Continue the traffic
Do you
stop.
have a key, sir?
Continue the traffic stop.
Do you have a key? If you have a key, go ahead and put
the
that
traffic
on top
stop.
of the hood. Again, go ahead and put that car key
Listen,
on top of the hood.
I don't have to listen to you. Just go ahead and continue the traffic stop and go and do the ticket already or whatever you gotta do.
Again, go ahead and put that key on top of the hood, sir.
You're very argumentative. You're very confrontational. You need to hurry up and go do what you gotta do.
Again, for my safety, go ahead and put that on the hood. I don't know if I'm going to walk away and you're going to try to drive off. I don't know who you are.
It doesn't matter. Go ahead and continue to go and do what you gotta do.
It does. Again, because if you're gonna flee, I don't want you to flee. Go ahead and put that key on top of the hood.
Go ahead and continue. Go ahead and run. Go and do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Go.
So, just to let you know, impeding the flow of traffic is an arrestable offense.
Dude, I wasn't impeding the traffic. I have it on video.
Again, I'm letting you know.
I have it on video. I was waiting for you to go.
You don't have to wait for me to go. Again, it's an arrestable offense. Do you understand that, sir? Are you aware of that?
Sir, don't escalate things more than it should be. Go ahead and continue. Do what you gotta do.
Do me a favor. Step out of the car.
Listen.
Go ahead and step out of the car.
It's not necessary.
Again, it's
for officer safety, my hands are right here.
Again, sir.
You don't have a reasonable reason for me to pull out of the vehicle.
Again, remember, I'm telling you no. In the state of Texas,
Pennsylvania versus Mims. My hands are right here for officer safety.
You're under arrest, sir. Go ahead and step out of the car.
Sir.
Again, you're going to be placed under arrest.
Okay, what reason do you need me to get out? What reason do you need me to get out, though?
You're going to be under arrest.
No, but what reason, though?
You're under arrest for impeding the flow of traffic.
Why are you shaking?
Sir, I'm going to break your window. Do you understand me? You're going to escalate it more, I'm going to break that window.
Look, I'm not escalating nothing.
Go ahead and step out of the car.
I'm in the middle of I'm going to do an Uber right now. Why are you making things worse?
I'm going to break this window, sir. I'm going to give you another chance. Go ahead and step out of that car.
Okay, you know what? Be careful. Watch out.
Step out of the car.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You know that? Excuse me.
Go ahead and step
Excuse me.
Go ahead and step out. Put your hands behind your back. Hold on. Nope. Hey, what is? Calm down. Hey, what for? Put your hands behind your back.
What happened? Why are you arresting me? I didn't do nothing. Help! Hey, videotape! Videotape!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, videotape!
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, buddy, videotape!
Put your hands behind your back.
Videotape! Help me! Hey, look! You have to do it. Hey, videotape! Videotape!
Put your other hand behind the back.
Listen, what reason do you have? What reason do you have?
Sir. Thank you. You're under arrest now for resisting arrest.
I'm not approaching you. Listen, I'm not resisting arrest. You know why? I'm trying. You can't do that, man.
Let go.
Hey, videotape. Hey.